Okay. Hi everyone, this is Eric and RIZA'S vlog again for another unboxing episode. Today we're going to unbox Selfie Stick from Showcase Home of the Hottest Trends. From Showcase Home of the Hottest Trends. Which will put the link or the picture in this video. Okay, so this selfie stick is actually a gift from Eric. It's my it's my Christmas, it's his Christmas gift to me, and I actually how do you say that, requested this gift because whenever I whatever I filmed, like some like videos and stuff, the struggle to keep the phone or whatever gadget I'm using to film it is real. It's really real. It keeps slipping. I cannot get the proper height or like the proper angle or whatever. So I said to Eric that if we are going to go ahead with this filming with YouTube, we need to have at least like a tripod to hold the gadget that we're using at that moment. So so then I got it. Eric actually gave it to me by surprise. So selfie stick from Showcase of the Hottest Trends.
Selfie stick.
Okay. Yeah, so just so you guys, so we're not actually using like expensive gadget and stuff like that filming. It's really, I hope we somewhere down the road we come to that point where we can we have to really find a good lighting and stuff like that. But for now we're really new. So if you guys have like have an idea or anything that works for you vlogging wise, let us know in the comment section and we will try it.
And this was about $20.
Oh yeah, this is $20. It's actually $9.99 if you buy it now,
During
I guess.
Holiday season.
And before we actually bought it, before we actually told Eric that I want this gift, and he gave it to me by in surprise. I looked at the reviews and actually had good reviews. Oh, let's see, okay? Let's see, guys, because again, this channel is about fair opinion by us, not by everyone else. So let's see, okay? Okay guys, so let's unbox this this product. Okay, babe.
Okay.
Okay, so it comes with too many. Okay, one piece. Okay, so let's see the measurement. The collapse size is about 7.5 inches, right?
Yes.
7.5 inches if it's collapsed. And then now,
Let's do it open.
okay, the maximum length when you open it. Can you open it, babe?
Oh.
Okay. So this is if you open it. So how many inches will that be?
There's one, so that's one ruler.
Two ruler. And two a little bit.
2 and 3 inches.
Okay, so two and a little bit ruler. If it's extended, right? And then how about this, how do you call this, mount?
Yeah.
The mount is about 3 inches. And also, babe, can you show if you can extend the mount? Okay, so you can extend it, yeah, that much. So can you extend
measure it?
Okay, yeah, can you extend it? Okay, so how much will that be? So about 4. Yeah, okay. So the mount is only 3, but then if you extend it, it's about 4. It goes to up to 4. So this product is only good for the phone, right?
Yeah.
Not for the tablet or anything like that.
No.
And the mount you can do horizontal and vertical depending on how you want to film. You can adjust the the mount, like tilting and stuff. It also comes with, oh yeah, we forgot to,
You can stand it up.
yeah, well, it's a mount, right? You can stand like that. So,
And here's the remote.
babe, no, can you keep it standing? Okay, so that's how it looks like when it's standing. And again, the mount, you can do vertical and horizontal. You can tilt. And this product also comes with a very small remote that's right there. It's very, very tiny. Let's also, it's a size of it's 1 inches.
Yeah.
And it is stored directly to the product. Babe, can you store it directly to the, yeah, like that. My opinion, my review to the remote, it's nice that you can store it right on the product, but I'm not very impressed that it's very small, right? Because you can easily lose the remote once you remove it, because again, you can pair the remote to your phone. So then you can operate taking pictures and videos from distance.
And even a timer through your phone. You can count down too.
Oh yeah, there's a timer too, right?
Yeah.
And it's pretty easy to pair it. You just have to go to Bluetooth, open it up. Babe, can you press the blue? Like there's a blue sign. There's a blue.
Oh, because I think it's not paired.
Oh, well,
So.
if you press hard, then there is a blue light that blink.
There you go.
Right there. Yeah, right. Yeah, so then this is the size of the remote. Too small, eh? Yeah, too small. And as I said, the back said that it's stainless steel, wireless, as we all know. The sign I think said that you can do vertical, horizontal, tilt, or something like that, and that's the measurement. And it said durable, that you can even do with your hammer and it won't break. So let's see. Well, we're so excited to actually see this. And again, it's compatible with iOS and Android. Oh, there's also reminders. Okay. So then that's the review. That's the whole review of this product. It's very, very, I would say that I will put this product into good use, because as we said, we don't actually have anything to use for blogging.
No.
And anything like that. And the good thing about it is very lightweight, right, babe?
Yeah.
They said it's only
like...
no, there is a thing. It said only 15, right there, 155 grams. So it's very, very, and its battery, what's the battery of this?
Oh, it's one of those special batteries actually. Circle ones. So
the button battery?
You have to go by it said it on the box, the battery circle type that you need to get. So
it's a button battery.
Yeah, it's a button battery.
Yeah.
And there's different kinds of button batteries, so you just gotta go find that in your local area.
Right. Okay, so we will try to take a pictures of using the selfie, and then we'll just put in the end of our videos just to show you guys, because we actually and a video using the tripod itself. Okay, so another thing that I want to show you with this one, because we kind of have a hard time looking for it, doing it, whatever. So another thing is that when you want to remove the Bluetooth, which you want to, of course, because you want to operate this from distance, is that you open it up like that and you slide the mount a little bit, so you have a space to remove the Bluetooth. Otherwise, you won't be able to remove the Bluetooth if you don't slide it. So to put it back, you have to keep the stick just like that, and then close it, and there you go. That's it. Yay! All right. Okay, guys. We just want to show you how the product works, and I would say it's amazing. It actually our videos, they are nice, right? And it's very, very sturdy. As I said, you can remove the remote, so you can operate it from distance. So here how it goes. Isn't it amazing, guys? Oh my god, that you guys, because before I really have to put it in, bowls
Boxes,
and
yeah.
boxes and everything else. So now I have this wonderful, I really like it, especially for the amount
Yeah.
that I bought it. Oh my god, I
That I
think
bought it.
I think Showcase Home of the Hottest Trends did a good job on this tripod. I really, really like it. So shout out to Showcase, the Hottest Trends.
Thank you, Showcase.
Yeah, so it is really, really nice. So this is our review for this specific product, guys. It's a small addition to make your life easy when you're vlogging. And actually, it's not just for the vlogging. It's for taking a family picture that you want to be in it.
Yeah, and if you're outside on a trip,
Yeah, that you don't have anybody to you don't have anybody to take a picture
or video.
Yeah, this is amazing. Oh, and you can make it long. Babe, can you try to make it long?
Oh, okay.
Here, this is where and it gets my camera don't actually get it. Sorry guys, but this is how it goes. Oh, that's so nice. I love this. Okay, guys. This is how far we can show you. Oh, okay, that's too All right, bye guys. Bye once again.
Bye.
Bye.